What if sun started sneezing?
Don't worry, I will check the sun.
Huh?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun started sneezing, all the planets of the solar system may get blown off. Secondly, if sun started sneezing, sun may sneeze extremely loudly. Planets may start wearing earplugs. Thirdly, if sun started sneezing, aliens might get amazed. They might start carrying out experiments on the sun. Fourthly, if sun started sneezing, even sun sneeze might be extremely hot. Planets might start jumping off. Fifthly, if sun started sneezing, sun sneeze might travel extremely fast. Some people might use its force to reach other planets. Lastly, if sun started sneezing, sun might get very irritated. Doctors might start running away from the sun.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if Earth landed on the sun?
Huh?
No big deal. AumSum always lands on the sun.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth landed on the sun, all the water may boil away. People may start visiting different planets just for a bath. Secondly, sun is extremely, extremely hot. If Earth landed on the sun, there will be no more snow left on planet Earth. Thirdly, sun is huge in size. If Earth landed on the sun, people living in small apartments may shift to a lavish palace on the sun. Fourthly, if Earth landed on the sun, Earth may start thinking that all planets are revolving around it. Fifthly, if Earth landed on the sun, nights will be a thing of the past. One may find people sleeping in broad daylight. Lastly, if Earth landed on the sun, no more electricity bills. Everything will now run on solar energy. What if sun stopped burning?
No problem. AumSum will provide light to all.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun stopped burning, it will not be visible anymore. Time to say goodbye to those beautiful sunrises. Secondly, if sun stopped burning, we may need to carry torchlights even during daytime. Thirdly, if sun stopped burning, humans along with animals may need to shift to a different solar system. Fourthly, moon gets its light from the sun. If sun stopped burning, moon may not stop crying. Fifthly, if sun stopped burning, planets of the solar system may try very hard to light up the sun again. Lastly, if sun stopped burning, people may not know when to sleep or wake up. Everybody will be confused.